welcome to the vlog. So I've literally just finished work. Today I have been really good and I've been working from the office and not my bed. So that is, you know, clear for me. I'm just on my way to an influencer event. This brand is a small coffee slash restaurant that is celebrating their first year anniversary. So they invited my girl Christina over and she invited me along for her +1. So I'm really excited. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So it's really, I didn't know kind of how to dress, but it's a coffee shop, so I'm thinking, you know, let's just keep it casual. I'm wearing this bodysuit that I got from Zara like 2 years ago, and then I've just got on some cargo pants. I'm gonna throw on some heels just to dress it up a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, it's gonna be a very chilled slash lovely intimate event, and I can't wait to see my girl, and we're just gonna catch up and have some fun.
Oh my god, mama made it. I get your autograph, ma'am. Living my best life.
Hey guys, say hi to my girl Christina. This is Christina. She beautiful, whatever.
Beauty recognized beautiful.
Yeah, so we're just out here on what's this called? Haunt.
Yeah, haunt. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the coffee shop restaurant that I was telling you guys about. We've just had a couple of nibbles and now we're just outside, you know, sipping on the what's this?
Cause we drive.
Okay, yeah, because we drive. No, it's a beautiful day out here in Manchester and we're just happy to be out here. So yeah, cheers. Cheers. Happy Thursday. So it's currently around 5 o'clock ish. Just got back from work and I just received the most beautiful PR package from a company called Trip. Now Trip is a UK brand and they focus on CBD oils and CBD drinks. This is not sponsored or anything, they just sent me a beautiful PR package and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I just thought this is so generous. Now there's a lot of information out there about the health benefits of CBD oil. Now, I previously tried one of their drinks at a cafe 2 weeks ago and posted it on my Instagram, and from there the brand reached out to me and wanted to send me a couple of their items, and of course, so because I enjoyed the drink so much at the cafe, I was so happy that they wanted to send me a couple of their items. So let us get into a unboxing. Let me just show you guys what's inside. It came in this box. And as you can see, these guys really did the most. They've got a hat for me here, take a trip. I love it. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm so happy. So basically, this is all the stuff that was in the box, and it's quite a lot of stuff. So you've got here some CBD oil, some Trip. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so we've got here some CBD oil in orange blossom and chamomile, and then we've got the same CBD oil here in wild mint and chamomile. Some socks. We've got a tote bag. A beautiful hat that I'm definitely going to be wearing either to the gym or just out in general. And then we've got here the star of the show, which are their iconic Trip drinks. And they have here their slogan, we can't calm. And I think that is just so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so got here a couple of different flavors. I've got the peach and ginger here, the lemon and basil, and elderflower and mint. And guys, I am so excited to try these drinks because I know I already tried this one. I tried this one and I know that this tasted good, so I'm just excited to try every other flavor. So yeah, like I said, this is not sponsored. I'm just really grateful to Trip for sending me these items, and I can't wait to try them, and I'll let you guys know how I feel, because my biggest thing is, okay, I don't want to be high. See, I don't judge. I don't judge. I've never been high. So my only thing was like, okay, am I gonna be high? Am I? See, my mom watches these YouTube videos, so I cannot be doing anything, you know, crazy. But I'm sure from speaking to one of the waitresses from the cafe that I was at, I asked her, you know, what are the effects of the CBD drinks, and when I tried it out, I definitely was not high. I just felt an overall sense of just calmness and just tranquil. I just felt good, carefree. Not really carefree, because that sounds like, but no, just felt good. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. Give you guys an update. Hi guys, and welcome to the vlog. So today is Tuesday. I am currently in the guest bedroom. I am working from home, but I'm working out of this room today because I've got a little bit of a migraine. Woke up with a little bit of a migraine, and I needed a bit of a dark room. Now the office upstairs is really hot. I mean, right now it's currently like what, 30. This is not a joke, okay? This is not a joke. And we have one fan. And guess who's using the fan? Me, of course. So I just wanted to show you guys this case that I got from Nudient. I think that's how you say it, Nudient. And I have been in need of a new case. This is my old case from Marc Jacobs. It's served its purpose. As you can see here, it's got little cracks everywhere. Like, I've had this case for 2 years now, and it's done a good job. So I saw this brand Nudient online, and I loved the message. I love the message, so I'm gonna open it up for you guys and we can have a look at what's going on inside. And one thing that really drew me to this case and the brand is the little messages that they have inside the case. So this one, it says, dare to be bold, never settle for regular, always stay curious. And I just thought it's a beautiful message to have inside your case, so you're always walking around and you're always constantly reminded to be bold, never settle for regular, and stay curious. So yeah, I like that. So let me just open it up for you guys and you can see. Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Friday. So it's currently around 9 o'clock and I've got some time off work, so I'm doing a little self-care day today, and I'm on my way to get a facial done by this lady that I follow on Instagram. I've previously had a couple of facials done by her, and she invited me over kindly for a gifted facial, so that's where I'm off to today. I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you can see what treatments I get, and hopefully, you know, get the skin ready and prepped for holiday, which is just perfect timing because I was gonna get a facial done anyway. So when she reached out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful blessing. As well as that, I've got a couple of errands that I'm running. One of them is taking these clothes to the tailors. You guys would have seen this skirt and this top in a previous Zara haul that I did. If not, I'm going to link that Zara video in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So I'm basically gonna get the top tailored because I didn't like the way that it sat around my waist. So I'm just gonna get that taken in. I'm gonna see if they can do the skirt as well, but I'm a bit skeptical because of this the beading here. I don't know how they're gonna be able to cinch the waist with all those beads, but I guess, you know, they do this on a regular, so they might know. And then I've also got this bralette from Meshki that I bought a couple of, I think last month or something, but I got the small, but the small is kind of sitting on my my chest area like a medium, so it's a little bit baggy and I didn't like that, so I need a little bit of a cinched look, so I'm going to take that to them. And then I've got these beautiful trousers that I can't wait to show you guys. I don't think I've shown you guys. They're these beautiful balloon like trousers from ASOS. don't worry guys, I'm gonna do a what I'm wearing on vacation haul for you guys before I go. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So I am in the car. I have just finished the facial, and my goodness, like my face is just glowing, and I just love how my skin feels. I don't even want to touch it because I'm like, don't want to ruin the hard work. But I've just parked up the car. I'm gonna take the clothes to the tailor's, return a Zara parcel, and yeah, maybe grab some lunch maybe. Hey guys, happy Sunday. I am currently doing Passenger Princess on our way into town to do some last minute shopping for holiday prep and all of that good stuff. I'm here with Bay, so just gonna take you guys along with me whilst we grab some cute little last minute things. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so just got back home from the bit of shopping that we did, and I picked up some quite interesting and impromptu things. I got the Oran sandals from Hermes, which I am so in love with because the SA just let me just have fun and try on all the different colors. And I'm just so grateful for her and her service because she was really on job. So yeah, shout out to her for making the whole process so seamless and so lovely. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I got in there because I got quite a few jewellery pieces and the sandals, and then I got something else from Hermes, got some perfume as well. So I will share that with you guys in a different video. But yeah, I think I'm going to close off the vlog. I am literally so tired right now. So I'm gonna make some brunch. I think I'm gonna make some eggs benedict or something like that, and then just rest for the rest of the day, because it's about 3 o'clock. And yeah, just catch my breath and take it all in. So I'm gonna close off the vlog here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.